the names again, which included Hogo Bank Pakistan, KT Bank Pakistan Limited, Mashrak Bank Pakistan Limited, Rakmi Islamic Digital Bank Limited, and Telenar Microfinance Bank Limited. We congratulate all of them for completing the first phase of the process, and that now they are ready to enter the next phase, which is preparing themselves for launch of the pilot project. SBP is fully committed to work closely with each one of them to support their successful launch for the pilot operations and ultimately the full operations. Ladies and gentlemen, digital banks hold the promise of revolutionizing the way for customers to access financial services. As we embark on this exciting journey, we believe that the new entrants will align their business models with the SBP's key objectives. These objectives include: number one, promoting financial inclusion; number two, providing credit access to unserved and underserved segment of the society; number three, providing affordable and cost-effective digital financial services; number four, encouraging financial technology and innovation in banking; number five, fostering a new set of customer experiences; and lastly, further developing the digital ecosystem. Financial inclusion, as we all know, is a central goal of our digital banking initiative. We all know that there are segments of our population with limited access to formal banking services. Digital banks offer an opportunity to bring these population segments into the sphere of formal financial services by utilizing user-friendly interfaces and simplified processes. Digital banks are also expected to set new standards of customer service and experience, offering seamless, convenient, and personalized interactions that cater to the evolving needs of the banking customers. I am confident that 5 successful applicants today will reorient how financial services are accessed and delivered through their ability to enhance financial inclusion, reduce costs, and promote innovation. Moreover, I hope that the emergence of digital banks has the potential to create more jobs in the economy in areas such as technology, customer support, and data analysis. While digital banks in Pakistan offer significant promise and potential, the SBP is also aware of the several challenges that they will need to address for long-term sustainability. I would like to mention few of these challenges just to remind our new entrants to the market that this is an area which is a very challenging one, and they will have to work hard to address all these key challenges which they will confront while launching this new journey in Pakistan. First of all, cyber security and data privacy. As ensuring the security and privacy of customer data is paramount for digital banks. They must invest in robust cyber security measures to protect against cyber attacks, data breaches, and fraud. Customers need to have confidence that their financial information is safe. In this regard, SBP is currently revisiting its guidelines on the information security and cyber security risk in order to align them with the best practices and international standards. Second, digital banks need to work on digital literacy. As a large proportion of the population may lack the digital literacy required to effectively use digital banking services, digital banks may need to invest in educational initiatives to help users navigate their platforms and understand online financial transactions. Third, building customer trust and education is also a key challenge. Many Pakistanis are accustomed to traditional banking, and they may have reservations about digital platforms. Digital banks need to educate customers about the safety and benefit of their services. Fourth, implementing an efficient and secure customer onboarding and KYC is a cumbersome task. Digital banks must find ways to verify customer identities remotely without compromising security. To this end, SBP, in coordination with Pakistan Banks Association, is working to institutionalize a shared eKYC platform that will enable access and exchange of customers' KYC-related data, information and documents across the industry. Fifth, scalability becomes critical for the growth of digital banks. Digital banks will have to ensure that their systems and infrastructure can handle increased transactions volume without compromising performance. For this purpose, cloud computing solutions which can be easily scaled up or down to meet changing demands serve as the catalyst for digital banking transformation. SBP has also allowed its regulated entities to outsource their material and non-material workloads to cloud service providers through a risk-based approach in a safe and secure manner. So the new entrants can also take advantage of this flexibility which has been recently provided by the State Bank. Six, integration with the broader payment ecosystem, including interoperability with other banks and payment systems, is essential for digital banks to ensure smooth transactions across different platforms and institutions. Seventh, digital banks need to ensure their operational resilience in the face of technical glitches, system failures, or cyber attacks. Downtime or service interruptions can erode customer trust and satisfaction. Digital banks have to find ways to differentiate themselves and attract customers in a competitive operating environment. Lastly, providing quality customer service in a digital environment can be challenging. Digital banks must have responsive customer service channels to address customer inquiries and address the issues promptly. Addressing these challenges, of course, requires a combination of regulatory cooperation, technological investment, customer education, and a commitment to cyber security and data protection. Overcoming these hurdles is essential for the new digital banks to deliver on their promise of financial inclusion and innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, while concluding, I would like to reiterate that State Bank of Pakistan is constantly striving to ensure that Pakistan's banking industry strives to facilitate customers and improve their overall banking experience. We realize that there is enormous untapped potential in terms of connecting more people with formal financial services. The launch of digital banks represent a leap forward in this direction. At the same time, SBP is working with banks and other stakeholders towards improving the overall customer journey and user experience so that the citizens of Pakistan have easy, convenient, and low-cost access to financial services. Maintaining a prudent and proactive approach towards risk mitigation and fraud prevention is also our regulatory priority. Facilitating customers and safeguarding their financial well-being is at the heart of our policy efforts. I invite the audience members today to support us in making our financial system more inclusive, more innovative, and more responsive to the needs of our customers. In the end, let me congratulate the 5 applicants again that have been granted in principal approval to form digital banks today. I hope that they will not just meet but exceed our expectations in terms of providing a seamless banking experience to their customers. I also hope that these digital banks will pave the way for further modernization in the national banking landscape. I would also like to express my gratitude to all those who have worked tirelessly to bring digital banks in Pakistan. I am also especially thankful to our former Deputy Governor, Seema Kamal, whom we invited today. She has just retired last month, so we invited her specially to grace this occasion because she has headed the team which worked on making this dream to come true. Thank you so much for all your attention.
Thank you very much, sir, for such thought-provoking remarks. Indeed, they will set good foundation for the upcoming digital banks, especially. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the time when I'll start inviting designated sponsors from each digital bank to express their thoughts with us. And in this row, the first bank will be Hugo Bank, which is sponsored by Gex Group, Atlas Consolidated Private Limited, and Muller & Phipps Private Limited. Gex Group is a business conglomerate operating in 52 countries, including Pakistan. Atlas Consolidated Private Limited is a fintech company which operates a major payment institution in Singapore. Muller & Phipps is a logistics operator in Pakistan and provides digital payment services. From Hugo Bank, I would request Mr. David Ferguson to please share his valuable thoughts with us.
Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm slightly humbled to speak on behalf of Hugo Bank here today because I realise the magnitude